Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and for today's Techniques Tuesday, I'll be making truffles. Did you know that Friday, January 6th is my birthday? Yay! And I am a chocoholic, so for the rest of this month, I'll be surprising you with some chocolate dishes. But today, we're making truffles, and I hope you enjoy. I'll talk to you later. Back to the video. My instructions ask for 4 ounces of heavy cream, but you may not use all of it. Alright, what you can do is play it by sight. Alright, now back to the video. If you're having difficulty melting the chocolate because the pieces are too big, what you can try to do is put it over a bain-marie. That's a pot of water, a simmering water, with a bowl set on top with the chocolate, and you stir it with a spatula. Alright, now back to the video. Okay, my angels, my dears, we made it to the very end, and thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, that's a like. Comment down below. Share this video if you dare. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. If you are one of our subscribers, thank you so much. And make sure your notification bell is turned on so you'll be notified of any new videos. And as always, as I leave you, I say many blessings and much favor until we meet again. Bye now.